Hello, I'm Kay McGrath. As brand ambassador for Reside Communities, I'm excited to share a story that captures the essence of hinterland retirement living at its finest. Perched in the heart of the Sunshine Coast hinterland, where morning mist weaves through the rolling hills and village life moves at its own perfect pace, Maleny Grove offers a unique opportunity to embrace the Maleny magic, that indefinable quality that makes this region so extraordinary. Just a gentle stroll from Maleny's vibrant village centre, with its artisan cafes, boutique shops and essential services, this is where authentic hinterland living continues to flourish. Now, under Reside Communities' careful stewardship, Maleny Grove is entering an exciting new chapter. While preserving the genuine warmth and character that makes this place special, the community is being thoughtfully expanded with new villas and facilities, each designed to nestle perfectly into the living environment. Here, retirement isn't about changing your lifestyle, it's about continuing the life you love. True luxury can lie in the simplest things: genuine connections, respect for privacy, and the freedom to live life your way. Let the days unfold naturally, enriched by thoughtfully considered facilities, there when you want them, never imposing, but always welcome. 2- and 3-bedroom villas offer quality, while a partnership with 5 good friends ensures flexible healthcare support is always at hand, including regular health checks, 24/7 emergency assistance, and more. Beyond the grounds, Maleny awaits. From the botanical gardens to the golf course, every aspect of hinterland life within easy reach. Explore neighbouring villages or take a short drive to discover the vibrant coastline and pristine beaches of the Sunshine Coast. Maleny Grove offers the perfect balance of boutique community living and modern amenities. This isn't just retirement living, this is retiring naturally.